Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember this is just my personal experience using this resource. In this video, I'm exploring MoneySupermarket's free credit score service located at moneysupermarket.com/credit-score. This platform offers a convenient way to check your credit rating without any cost. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to understand their creditworthiness and identify potential areas for improvement. This service doesn't just provide a number, it breaks down the factors influencing your score, providing insights into your credit history and offering personalized tips for boosting your rating. Understanding your credit score is crucial for accessing financial products like loans, mortgages, and credit cards, as lenders use this information to assess your risk profile. A better credit score can unlock more favorable interest rates and terms, saving you money in the long run. MoneySupermarket's credit score service pulls data from TransUnion, one of the major credit reference agencies. This partnership ensures you're getting information from a trusted source, giving you a clear picture of your financial standing. By regularly checking your credit report through this free service, you can stay informed about any changes or inaccuracies, allowing you to take proactive steps to maintain a healthy credit profile. It's important to be aware of what impacts your credit score, such as payment history, outstanding debts, and credit utilization. MoneySupermarket helps you navigate these factors, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Remember, your credit score is a dynamic figure. It can fluctuate based on your financial activity. Regularly monitoring your score through platforms like MoneySupermarket allows you to track progress and ensure you're on the right path to achieving your financial goals. So, head over to moneysupermarket.com/credit-score to get started and take control of your financial future. This is a valuable tool that's definitely worth checking out.